Okay, I just come down. It's a pretty chilly day, but they just broke and started flying. I saw something I haven't ever really noticed. I mean, I noticed a few before, but not this many. Um, it's not a good picture of it there. But all the flies. It's like the bees are keeping them out pretty good, but I've just never really noticed in the spring so many flies on the front of a beehive. I just don't understand why they're like that. Let me go around here inside this little gate I had when I first started keeping bees. I had a bad skunk problem, and I didn't think to just raise them up, you know. But all right, girl, you get in your way. But I don't think I've ever seen this many flies. And they just keep going or trying to get in. I don't know if anybody else has really noticed that many, in the spring. Leave it in the comments. I just, it's different, and I hadn't, I just haven't paid any attention, I guess. Maybe they're always there. And I don't like it. I know that. I see an ant down there too. And this hive I didn't think would even make it. It's the weakest hive here. Well, it's the only hive here now. I mean, I lost everything. All of them's gone. I got a lot of boxes missing too because I got them inside painting. But yeah, they're all those are empty boxes. Everything here, nothing but the one, and it's a sad hive. So I'm hoping it comes through. I don't got a veil or anything here. I'm in a black coat, if that matters. I never really noticed that it mattered before. But this lid's heavy, and I don't know if I can. Here's you a tip. It's the insulated panel that people make, insulate under mobile homes, and they build buildings out of them. That one's pretty rough, but if you don't have an insulated top, you can throw it on top of a metal top, and let's see, and give you an insulated top. I don't know if I can do this or not. May not even